Oh, one more thing. What's up, everyone? Jason in Miami. A lot of people ask me about the tariff. Today, I tell you a good news. If you work with ApparelWin, don't worry about the tariff. If you work with ApparelWin, no tariff. Let me tell you, we already prepared this for 3 years. ApparelWin is not just a China company, we also a United States company. We ship your products to your place. We also need to ship our products to our Los Angeles office, to our showroom. We know what you concern. We know what you want. Save the cost. We have the good structure to help you avoid the tariff. You know what? The tariff issue is not just to China. Now the new tariff is for all over the world, different country. You work with China, you work with India, you work with Pakistan, you work with India, etc. It is a global issue, not just to China. So if you work with someone online, you don't know them, ask them whether they have a United States company, whether they have a physical office. Definitely they don't know what you're talking about. They even don't know what you concern. But as a United States company, we have a physical showroom. We need to ship our products. We also have local team. We know what you want. We have the process legally, efficiently ship your products without unnecessary tariff. So we can handle that well. The other suggestion for you, if you want to ship your mass production, don't ship by DHL, UPS, TNT, FedEx. Don't ship by that. They don't cover the customs clearance for you. Just have ApparelWin. Ship your product by sea, by air, with customs clearance. Then you don't need to pay tariff. You don't need to pay tariff. Guys, you don't need to pay tariff. And the other thing, I tell you, the tariff mostly towards to Shein, Temu, TikTok, etc. It is negotiated between governments. Trump administration want to buy TikTok. That's why put the tariff on China, want to bargain with China. Hey, you need to sell TikTok to United States. But anyway, if you work with ApparelWin, don't worry about that. We ship your products, no tariff. So just go ahead, place the order. The other thing, pull out to our Los Angeles showroom, check out the fabric, try the fitting, place your order. We have professional team to handle everything for you. Just go ahead. If you like it, leave your comment. DM me. Go ahead. Work with ApparelWin. No tariff. Make your fashion dream come true with ApparelWin. Let's go.